Hi, and welcome to the first installment of our new series, Homes in Hoover, Alabama Under $400,000. In this first edition, we'll be looking at 5 homes zoned for South Shades Crest Elementary School, which is a feeder school into Hoover High School. Let's get right to it. And there you have our South Shades Crest Elementary edition of Homes in Hoover, Alabama under $400,000. Please note, this was not a complete list of homes available. If you would like more information on any of these homes, please click the link provided. The link will include all homes zoned for South Shades Crest under $400,000 and will update as new homes are added or removed. Please share in the comments which elementary school you would like to see next. Feel free to give me a call or send an email to discuss your real estate needs or questions. And thanks for watching.